Quick Crypto, bringing you quick Kaspa news, and a quick shout out once again to today's sponsor Pionex US, the cheapest US regulated exchange that now offers Kaspa, which is really good, especially for my American audience right now, as once more you are so lucky. In fact, you all are so lucky. Kaspa, like the rest of the crypto market, corrected heavily last night following the ongoing situation in the Middle East and yesterday's port strikes. It's pandemonium right now, and while I don't want to seem or come across as insensitive, with all the recent crypto and Kaspa developments, with Kaspa currently being valued at 14.75 cents, down roughly 1.22% on the daily time frame, I believe that this could be a time of celebration, if you will, to be fortunate enough to be able to scoop up some more dirt cheap, undervalued Kaspa. And truth be told, I think Kaspa's takeoff is closer than you think. Historically speaking as well, October has always been a very, very bullish month for Kaspa. And while yes, things can change and times are different, Kaspa's had an Uptober every October, which was during the bear market, mind you. So don't be emotional, be logical, and understand what the developments will do for Kaspa's price action in the future to come. Because first things first, we have this massive announcement, huge news, that the first KRC-20 decentralized exchange is coming this week. Thanks to Kasplex's collaboration with Change Finance, the DEX that introduced the two largest stablecoins and two largest cryptocurrencies to KRC-20, so USDT, USDC, Bitcoin and Ethereum. This development here will help massively with the growth and adoption of KRC-20, which will inherently help with the growth and adoption of Kaspa in due time. Taken straight from the Change Finance AMA that happened yesterday, we plan to open the Krc20 Dex service to the community this week. We will first launch the test environment on Friday, 3 days time from now, for Krc20 projects that will want to list coins. We will provide a liquidity pool versus USDT, and trading will be open when liquidity reaches $20,000. Change does not charge listing fees, but sufficient liquidity is essential to avoid high slippages. This is very, very big news, and for those KRC20 meme token lovers out there, that has also now confirmed one of the 3 imminent listings coming to Nacho. And we know which one it is as well. It's the free listing. Nacho had 3 of them, and one of them is the free listing. The other 2 incoming is one that is like Binance Exchange, but it isn't Binance, but it's global with a US branch, and the other one wants a small listing fee that Nacho is going to provide. So this is very, very good, and not to mention we are seeing much more developments from some other prominent KRC20 meme tokens. For example, Somps is joining the list of Nacho, Kaspa Ghost, and many more with their own roadmap now, and also in bigger news, getting listed on CoinGecko. Massive news. So this incoming DEX, the continued growth and adoption of KRC20 meme tokens, and then the Kasplex developments, almost finishing the next phase of their roadmap of decentralized trading, is the developments that will allow you to see the direction and growth of Kaspa, that this current price for Kaspa right now is nothing more than a golden opportunity. So with that in mind, isn't this a very, very good thing? Especially for my American audience, that you have cheap ways to get access to cheap Kaspa through Pionex US. Pionex US is a fully US regulated platform serving users from across 47 states, known for their AI trading bots that run 24 hours every single day, every single time, 11 different trading bots that meet different trading needs. Their most notorious trading bots include the grid trading bot, which lets you set intervals for your buy and sell orders, automatically placing in another order for you, thus reducing the impact of sudden price changes like what happened in yesterday's market. There's also a DCA trading bot, market trading bot right here, which is designed to help traders buy more of a cryptocurrency when its prices drop. A rebalancing bot, which is used to maintain a specific allocation of assets in your portfolio, ensuring that the portfolio stays aligned with your investment strategy despite price fluctuations. There are so many more to choose from as well, but here's the kicker, of course, 0.1% trading fees. Very cheap. So yes, US residents can buy capital with fiat currency. There's a Cash USDT and Cash USD trading pair, and with just 0.1% trading fees, it is one of, if not the cheapest on the market. So start trading with Kaspa on Pionex US today, and you will have the chance to win 100,000 Kaspa. Not to mention that right now there's currently an exclusive Pionex event that starts today and ends on the 15th of September, where for every new user, if you deposit at least 100 USDT, you will also get an extra 10 USDT. So check out the link in the pinned comments or the description below, because I tell you what, yesterday, over $523 million was wiped out from the crypto market, with ETFs seeing outflows of $243 million, reversing an 8-day inflow streak amid rising Middle East tension. But BlackRock, did they sell? Well, no, of course they didn't. Instead, they bought another $40 billion worth of Bitcoin. Again, remember the 2 most important and basic sentiments when trading: Don't be emotional, be logical, and also follow the money. Yes, over $500 million did exit the market yesterday, but the $10 trillion asset manager, the biggest financial institution in the world, BlackRock, they doubled down. They've done it numerous times, DCAing into Bitcoin, buying the dip every time people panic. I think the BlackRock CEO has literally showcased his bullish stance on Bitcoin on mainstream television, on Fox Business here, Bitcoin being an alternative to gold to hedge against inflation. Huge news, take a listen.
And also, I do believe the role of crypto, it's digitizing gold in many ways. Instead of investing in gold as a hedge against inflation or the devaluation of your currency, whatever country you're in, Bitcoin is an international asset. It's not based on any one currency. And so it can represent an asset that people can play as an alternative.
And this here is one reason why I believe Bitcoin and crypto is going to continue to rise in due time. We're going to have a very explosive bull run because we still have an inflationary problem right now. Here from bar chart, the Fed posted its biggest loss in history of $114 billion last year. This is massive and more evidence to showcase to you and support why the Fed was so late on cutting rates. To offset its losses, the Fed most likely needed to hold interest rates higher for a longer period of time to generate more revenue, leading to this inflation. The biggest loss in history also potentially supports the case of a potential recession incoming. But that is not all. Furthermore, the Fed has just approved a whopping $2.35 billion bank bailout, which is absolutely nuts. And this is the sort of information you need to know to better help understand the market sentiment, to better help predict the market movements. Inflation is still here, and BlackRock say Bitcoin is a hedge against inflation, hence why they keep buying. Crypto's bull run is literally on the horizon, which is why I recently created a free to join Discord server. 360 of us are working towards achieving financial freedom, building our knowledge, sharing alpha where we can. So if you want to know more, the link to join will be in the description below, because I still truly believe that October is still here, especially for Kaspa. Kaspa, while only being a 3-year-old project, very early into its cycle, Kaspa is over 11 years of research for iterations of the protocols all adhering to the Nakamoto consensus. The KRI as well will help with the explosive transformation and use case of Kaspa, thus helping its price going forward. They dropped some insane major alpha last week, and now we are starting to see recordings of the KRI chairman Paul Van Zandt, as well as recordings from Kaspa's own Shai and Michael Sutton, this event now being published to Twitter. But of course, the biggest reason, in my opinion, for the likely October is through the elusive, potentially imminent Kraken listing. Speculation is still very, very high after Kaspa appeared in their crossword listing. So many believe that October will be the month Kaspa gets their first tier 1, most likely the first tier 1 of many. So I do truly believe that a Kaspa breakout is possible this month, but let me know what you think. Come chill chat and learn more in the Discord server. Get the links below. Remember, don't be emotional, be logical, and I'll see you in the next one.